tradition. Hello. Welcome to Barbra's tree cutting services. Dave isn't here today, so we're going to try to knock this sucker over. It doesn't knock me out. Got some pretty big, sharp little things on it right here. Might take me out. We're going to take it out first.
Daddy got stabbed by one.
That's alright, I ain't afraid of nothing. I ain't afraid of no ghost. Care of this tree here. First we're gonna take some limbs off it with a trusty scissors here. I teach the children how to use it. Uh-oh. I'm being called. Being paged. Toad Biscuit to Uncle Hayseed. How's it going?
That river is extremely high and looks like it's about to
Alright. Here we go.
Tree limb cutters. Those are hedge cutters.
Well, they work pretty well. Family tradition. We're missing Dave. That don't mean I can't do anything. One down. See all those thorns on there? Get stabbed by one of them, you'll itch for a week. So I'm probably gonna itch for a week. We got 1, 2, 4, 7. Got seven more to cut down. See, I use my math skills to count and count how many things there are. And there's a 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. There's 8. I miscounted the first time. But, yeah, you see, all those skills that I teach the preschoolers, they come out. And, you can use them in real life situations, like how many limbs you have to cut off a tree. And Geronimo!
There we go.
He's down. Whew. It was a sweaty job. But Barbara can do it at Barbra's tree cutting services. I'll finish the job. And see you next time on Barbra's tree cutting services. This has been the adventures of Barbra, and well, Dave isn't here again, but we'll find him. Bye. Boom, 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 boom.